In this video, I will show you how to calculate the average if the date is greater than the specified date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some transaction details like transaction date and amount in these columns. Now I want to average the amount if the transaction date is greater than the date specified in this cell. For example, I want to average the order amounts if the transaction date is greater than 15 January 2024. We can use the Excel AVERAGEIF function to do that. The AVERAGEIF function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet the given criteria. This function accepts three arguments: a cell range, a criteria, and an optional average range. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type AVERAGEIF followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells containing the dates as the first argument. Since we want to find the dates greater than the given date, type the greater than sign in the double quotes. Let's append the cell containing the date to the greater than sign using the ampersand character. Finally, since we want to average the amount cells, if the condition is met, let's select the amount cells as the third average range argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average of cells if the date is greater than the given date. To get the average if the date is greater than or equal to the given date, all we need to do is to use the greater than or equal to sign in the formula like this. We can also use the AVERAGEIFs function instead of the AVERAGEIF function to calculate the average. The AVERAGEIFs function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. Please note that the order of the arguments of the AVERAGEIFs function is different from the AVERAGEIF function. Since we want to get the average of the amount, I will select the range of the cells containing the amount as the first average range argument. We want to apply the condition on the date cells, so I will select the date cell range as the second criteria range argument. Finally, I will type the criteria greater than the given date as the third criteria argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average of the cells having dates greater than the given date. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.